Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change fonts on TikTok. So if you want to change the font display on TikTok like what I did on my usernames in here, you can see my username at the top. I've already changed the font into this like italic bold fonts in here. So if you want to change the fonts to your profile, your username, or even your TikTok video captions, you can just follow my steps in here. So you need to choose which fonts that you want to change. For example, here I'm going to change the fonts of my TikTok videos. Here, let's try to change the font from this videos right here. I don't know if I can change it. Okay, I cannot do that because this is an old post. So let's just create a new post and choose the captions. Here I'm going to just, let's say, take a short video, just like this. And let's write the captions. Okay, so in here I'm going to write the captions first. Like this. For example, let's copy or cut this text, and now you can just open your browser on your phone, then just find the phone changer as the keyword, tap on enter, and just use any phone changer from this result, the one that you want. So let's try the first one, the lingojam.com. Now you can just paste the normal text in here, or you can also type in directly on the text box. You can click on paste, and this is now the options of fonts that you can select it. So you can just explore in here, you can scroll down and choose the font that you want. So for example, let's use this one. You can just copy the font, the text with the new fonts in here, just like this. I'm going to use this one. Tap on copy and then go back to your TikTok, paste the text with the new font, and let's upload it and see how it will look like. The phones. Okay, so you guys can see the fonts has been changed on my caption, and it's made some unique effects on the caption. So that's all for me. That's how you can easily change font on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.